Ever wonder how leading beauty brands always seem to recommend the perfect product? The secret lies in interactive experiences. Take L'Oreal's Hair Color Finder quiz as an example. It guides visitors through a series of simple, targeted questions such as, is your hair currently color treated? Does your hair have any other treatments or chemicals? Which swatch best represents your natural shade? How much gray do you have? What outcome are you hoping to achieve? Which tone appeals most for your new color? Each response builds toward a personalized recommendation. This approach keeps visitors engaged, captures valuable customer insights, and increases conversions while feeling helpful rather than sales-driven. Now, let's walk through how you can design a similar experience using Outgrow. Navigate to AI marketing tools from the main menu. Select AI fashion marketing tools and describe your quiz idea. For example, create a quiz to discover your perfect blonde tone. Within seconds, the AI generates a complete draft questions, answer options, and scoring logic included. Remember, AI provides the foundation. The real magic happens when you customize the experience inside Outgrow. Once you're satisfied with the draft, type Save It to proceed. You'll see two options. Visit Preview to test the quiz experience. Edit live on Outgrow's Builder for advanced customization. Choosing the builder opens Outgrow's editing platform, where you can refine every detail, from the welcome screen to individual questions. Examples of customizable questions include, what's your natural hair color? What's your skin undertone? What's your eye color? How would you describe your personal style? Which blonde shade do you prefer? Next, create multiple blonde outcomes tailored to different profiles, such as platinum, blonde golden blonde, honey blonde champagne, blonde beige, blonde. Each result can feature practical styling tips. Before publishing, preview your quiz across desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure a seamless experience. And that's it. You've built a high engagement, conversion-friendly blonde hair quiz in minutes with Outgrow. Start creating your own interactive quiz today with Outgrow and transform how your audience engages with your brand.